Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Alexander Corrales. I am part of Big Data Group. We are students for the National Service of Learning, where students analyze the value of system informations with a file 2104603, and this is the presentation of our project. Our project has by name OMS, that means Operative Management System, and it is created for Natural Beauty Company, and the name is Gain Awards with the name of the company and the objective of our project. This name, we will talk about the company. Company is dedicated to the manufacture of cleaning products and cosmetics, which are based on natural ingredients and which seek as far as possible not to use preservatives or polluted cleaners, with very good results. The idea, or the main idea of our project, of create this project, is create a software with bit designs that allows to organize the resource involved in the elaboration of the final products that the company sells, taking into account the collection times, delivery times of suppliers, costs, necessary tools, among others. In an inventory administrable way for which the production process will be standardized in such a way that variation are reduced, generating reliability and precision. For this, a database of the necessary inventory will be created and a detailed step-by-step of recipes that had so far been executed in a way it could be say artisanal and empirical. And finally, splitting everything into an information system allows to contrast the existing resource with the production and sales needs to guarantee a timeline supply. The stage, the parts of the development of the information system is first design and organization system for resource inventory. Later, standardized production process. For develop a database that relates inventories and production process, and finally executive software with database for inventory list and standardization process and sales online. Okay, and this is the introduction. Now I will give away to my partner who explains to us how the project was structured, the analysis stage, the selection of program language, and among others. Okay, let's listen to my partner.
Hello everyone, my name is Andres Porto. I'm part of the group named Big Data. We based our project on the business of one of our wife partners. She has a business that is called Natural Beauty. She dedicates her business to sales beauty products. Right now she only uses Excel and Instagram to organize her products. That is why we decide to base our project on that business. First of all, we have to analyze all the information they have, all the products, the necessities, the problems she may have on the business, and that's why we use all the techniques that we learn throughout all the course that we are taking on Sena. First, using relation entity model, class models, sequence diagrams, collaboration diagrams, and activity diagrams. By using all that information and all that tools, we were able to find the requirements that we need to go with the software we are working on. And we find, for example, the program interface was one of the requirements that is really basic. Every software have to has uh, software interface. Then the another requirement maybe the file import and export possibility, and the relation of the information intermodular, the creation, modification, and edit or elimination of any of the files, create a new file, name a new file, enter a new name, an employee that has certain time of work in order to calculate the salary they may have on the at the end of the month or at the end of the week, and all that requirements was work by using all the tools that I said before. And after finding those requirements, we were able to create the database, and then we had to create the interface of the program. And by that, we for doing that we have to choose a language, a programmation language, and we decided to use the PHP because it's really easy to use, and is one of the most used right now. One of our partners actually has a little knowledge of how to use it, and that is why we decided to use that. And we had to look for information on the internet and how to connect the interface to the database that we have created before, and that is how we create our program. Now it's working, and that would be all by the analysis part. Then after doing all the analysis, we have to go with the programmation and the execution of the program, and we finally did it, and we have the results. It's working really well, and we finally have finished it.
My name is Jonathan Rico Herrera. I'm from the Big Data Group. The idea or solution that my group worked on was the construction of software that was friendly and intuitive and easy to use from new companies or commerce and personal use products called Home Natural Beauty. It is composed of a login, a homepage, a user manager, a sales and purchasing manager, and project or store manager. The main characteristic of the design on this information system is that it aims at new companies in the cosmetic sector in order to manage by sell in LOX, HICOM, and I follows us raw materials with the aim of optimizing logistics and increasing profitability. The process for S development has some setbacks, but my group has been able to solve this problem. The benefits that information system provides for the industrial or increase productivity and increase profits and increase customers. Finally, the system was created with the use of the following components. And ready. PHP 7, Bootstrap, MySQL y HTML5.